Antoine, I need help. I think I'm infected with some sort of virus.
Why do you think it's a virus, Ada?
Well, whenever I type in a website, it directs me to something completely different. Another weird thing is my webcam light is always on.
Wow, sounds like you have a classic case of malware, which is short for malicious software. Your entries are being spoofed.
How did I get it and how do I remove it?
Well, did you click on email attachments from unknown people? Have you clicked on shortened links passed to you either on social feeds and instant messages from people you don't trust?
Yes, sometimes when I'm bored, I get a little click happy. I click on links in my social feed inboxes as well as email attachments from unknown senders. Some of the PDFs they attach don't even open up for me. Plus, for some odd reason, the antivirus flags my USB device. How come the antivirus didn't catch this malware?
Your surfing methods are fundamentally flawed. Do not click on content from people you don't know personally or aren't a part of your professional network. Antivirus can only defend against known viruses. Viruses today are created at a rate that makes it too difficult for the Symantec's of the world to keep up. I would also note that your flash stick might be infected as well. Is your computer currently off?
I didn't know that. Wow. Every time I go to Best Buy they make it seem like antivirus is a one-stop shop for online protection. And yes, the computer is off at home.
Best Buy is in the business of moving merchandise. Of course they would tell you antivirus is a complete solution. Since your computer is off, would it be okay if I walked you through my best practices when it comes to cybersecurity? I am writing about this subject for my blog located at antoinesylvia.tumblr.com.
That would be great. I'm always looking to improve my skill set. I may not be as advanced as you, but I'm willing to learn more about security when it comes to Windows. I hope it won't be too complex for me.
Don't worry, everything that I share with you will be posted on my blog with links to additional content for each section. I will try hard as possible to make it an easy-to-follow guide. Whether your data is for professional or personal, it needs to be secure. Remember, the number one priority should always be security when it comes to IT.
This is all so overwhelming. Why would people want to target me? I don't even have much on my computer.
The attacks aren't always targeted. Most of the time it's random. Basically, they throw bait in a pond and whatever fish they catch, they reel in. When I say bait, I mean email attachments, which could include PDF documents that exploit Adobe Reader, Flash exploits, JavaScript exploits, Java exploits in the form of drive-by attacks on trusted and untrusted websites. Most of the time in these instances, the malware distributors are more interested in using your computer's system resources for intensive tasks like Bitcoin mining, botnet initiatives, spamming, and many others. These random attacks could also be utilized to steal your personal data, which can be later used by the distributor or sold to a third party.
Wow, and I'm assuming the targeted attacks are aimed at the big fish.
Correct. Majority of the time the best malicious codes are saved for the big fish, which are organizations. Zero-day exploit packages can sell for over 10 grand based on the sophistication of the code. The attacks aren't always launched by original creators. Think of this as malware as a service. Features can be requested. The creators can also institute rules that the buyers must follow. If not, the code isn't guaranteed to work. The return on investment is usually in the form of data from compromised databases. Either the unencrypted databases are sold on the market or the hackers encrypt the live production databases and demand payment. I would note small fish such as yourself can be combined with other small fish across the world to launch huge attacks. Small fish could also be used to sneak in the back door of organizations.
Malware sounds like the ultimate catch-and-mouse game. I will bring in my laptop tomorrow. Hopefully by then you will have your blog post finished so I can browse through it during my breakfast on my desktop at home. I will come by your office once I get to work.
Awesome, the post should be up tonight. See you tomorrow.